Introducing Batch Exporter for Premiere Pro, a plugin that modernizes the export process. It detects the beginning and end of every clip on your timeline, sets the in and out points to those exact cuts, exports the clip, then moves on to the next, working through your entire sequence on its own. If you're on a job that needs you to trim, color, and deliver all the B-roll in addition to the master video, this plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro is exactly what you need. It automates this time-consuming task and even takes care of the file naming process, so every clip is exactly the way you need it. Choose from several different elements to design the perfect file name pattern. Select a preset, pick the export folder, and let Batch Exporter do the rest. You built the timeline. Let Batch Exporter deliver it.